Hi, welcome to Codewars. In this series, I'm gonna solve TDD's katas using JavaScript. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here, start now by subscribing. Let's solve today kata, titled If you can't sleep, just count sheep. Task. Given a number 3, for example, return a string with the murmur 1 sheep, 2 sheep, 3 sheep. Okay, you will always receive a positive integer. Let's start with a naive solution. Our result should be a string. Start with an empty string, and then for a given number, I will add new element to this string. Add to result a new value, a plus sheep, and then return that new string. Let's check. Yes. Now let's optimize this solution. Let's use map method. In that case, I will need a new array with this new number, so it will have num elements. However, I can't just create an array because in that case it will be with all undefined numbers and I cannot map through them. I need to fill this array with empty values and now I can map over them. Let's take current element and index and then return a string literal, a sheep, and then just join all elements. And to return this value, let's use an array function and an array itself. Let's test. Of course, because index, the very first index of an array is 0, but I need to start from the first element. I mean to count from first element. Let's test. Good. Now let's optimize this solution and get rid of this fill method. I can do that by spread this array into a new array. Let's check. Yes, it works. And in addition, I can replace this with string literal. It also should work. Yes, it worked. I like it. My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.